Are you freaking serious? Go back in there, idiot. God, just knocking down doors for no reason. That's rude. I have an idea. I think we can get that shotgun now. Because there's a scorpion fucking door. Know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. Yes, 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 yes. Get me in, get me in. Broken shot. Oh, this is what we replaced with the other one. Hell yeah. Oh, that's... Grandma, come on. Yeah. I'm tired of chasing all these shitheads around the yard. The next time one of our guests runs away, hide the dog head reliefs so they can't get out of the house. Let's hide them like this. Living room grandfather clock. Already found that one. The book in the recreation room. I already found that one. The dissection room in the basement. Haven't found that one. Okay, so is that added? Yep. Oh, that's what I needed. Thank you. Oh, and this is what I needed too. I don't have any space. Oh, we have a big one, so I'm gonna make more ammo. Oh, I don't have any gunpowder. Shit. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it. Now we just need to get out of here. Dear Miss Baker, how have you been feeling recently? It's been a long time since you came in for your last checkup. I've been writing to tell you that I've finished examining your x-rays. Those dark areas in your cranium are fungus-like structures that seem to be related to mold. The hallucinations and noises you said you've been hearing may be related to these growths. If your symptoms are due to a fungal parasite, it must be removed before it's too late. I don't mean to scare you, but I am seriously concerned for your health. Please come to the hospital as soon as you read this letter. As your doctor, I strongly recommend you undergo further tests. Crawford Lang, Dulvey General Hospital.
I see you.
How? Oh shit. Oh, oh.
Ah!
Come on, we can get away, we can get away. Yes. Okay, now put this one. Okay, we are super golden. Oh my god. How do we get there again? Gotta go out of this one, and okay, I got it. Holy crap. Oh, yes. We have a good amount.
I was gonna be your father.
What?
Now she says he will be her father. No, 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 no. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
Do you know I'm behind you and not in front of you? Great. Okay. Holy crap, dude, this is... like some evil within stuff. Oh, that's where he was.
Poor deputy.
Oh, that's him! I didn't even make that connection when I saw him through there. Dude, are we gonna have to... This looks like a boss battle area. They gave us more shotgun shells. Yep, I knew it. Oh my god. Damn it. Oh, I got him. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, God. Dang it. Am I supposed to... Oh, God. I'm gonna just shoot him. There's nothing else to do. What? Oh, reload now of all time. So he's a parasite thing, like from... Oh.
Groovy. That's not groovy.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Oh, my God.
You go get it now.
Nope. Oh. God, that is tough without any... Like, that, not that much ammo. Jesus fucking God. I have to edit this, upload it, and then I have to get to work, so I'll try this in the next video. So this has been Euphorio, and I will see you guys on the next video.